Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Banker's World. Today I have brought for you September 3rd week 2020 most important current affairs MCQ quiz. So let's begin today's session with the first MCQ. Gujarat, Andaman and Nicobar emerge as best state or union territory in providing strong ecosystem for startups. DPIIT ranking. Gujarat emerged as the best performer among which category? Well, the answer is option A, category X. Question number 2 is the Ministry of Education organized a 2-day conclave on the topic school education in the 21st century under the Shikshak Parv initiative on 10th and 11th September 2020. During the conclave, discussions were held on how many major topics by experts of new education policy. Well, discussion were held on option B, 6 major topics. Question number 3. On September 11, 2020, Union Minister of State and Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs MOHUA launched the CSCAF 2.0. What does A stands for in the word CSCAF? Well, A stands for assessment, option B. Moving to the question number 4, India United States 2 plus 2 intersessional meeting was held virtually to discuss bilateral, regional, and multilateral issues, including combating COVID 19 counterterrorism. The Indian delegation was led jointly by option E, A and C, that is Vani Rao and Somnath Ghosh. Question number 5 is India will co chair the Asian Regional Forum on Port Securities and United Nations Convention on the Law of Sea UNCLOS under the chairmanship of which country? Well, the answer is option C, Vietnam. Question number 6 is RBI lays down guidelines for banks to appoint chief compliance officers. He should be appointed for a minimum fixed period of 3 years with age not more than dash years. Well, maximum age is option A, 55 years. ADB and Dash signed USD 15 million deal to sustain rural livelihoods in India. Well, it was signed by option C, Suguna Foods. Question number 8 is HCL partnered with NVIDIA Partner Network to pursue opportunities in AI space. NVIDIA Partner Network NPN. Well, NPN is a dash-based technology company's partner program. Well, it's a US based technology. Question number 9 is Liberty General Insurance Limited has partnered with SpiceJet to offer Liberty Secure Travel, an insurance policy to consumers who book tickets through the airline's website and mobile site. Where is Liberty General Insurance Limited headquarters? Well, its headquarters is situated in Mumbai. Question number 10 is President Ramnath Kovind appoints whom as chairman of NST? Well, the answer is option D. Paresh Rawal has been appointed. National School of Drama. Question number 11 is PEL Odisha signed MOU with NCDC to promote farmer producer organizations. Where is National Cooperative Development Corporation NCDC headquarters? Well, its headquarters is situated in New Delhi. Question number 12 is Odisha government launches Garima Social Security Scheme for sanitary workers. Chief Minister of Odisha Naveen Patnaik dedicated the scheme to whom? Well, the answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Moving to question number 13, which company became the first Indian company to hit $200 billion M cap? Well, the answer is option D, Reliance Industries. Question number 14 is on 9 September 2020, Narendra Singh Tomar, Union Ministry for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, announced that the ministry has set target to cover dash lakh hectares HA under micro irrigation in 5 years. Well, the answer is option D, 100 lakh hectares. Question number 15 is Prime Minister virtually inaugurated 900 crore worth petroleum project in Bihar. The projects have been commissioned by whom? Well, it has been commissioned by IOCL and HPCL both. Moving to question number 16th of today is on September 12, 2020, the Association of Southeast Asian Nations ASEAN India ministerial meeting was held. At which place it was held? Well, it was held virtually. So the answer is option D, none. Moving to question number 17, IFSC has signed MOU with India Gold Policy Center IIM Dash to set up International Bullion Exchange in India. Well, the answer is option D, Ahmedabad. Question number 18 is ICICI Lombard Inc.'s bancassurance tie-up with Dash for selling insurance products. Well, the answer is option B, Yes Bank. Question number 19 is S&P Standard & Poor's Global Ratings projected a contraction of 9% in India's GDP in financial year 2021. Where is the headquarters of S&P? It is situated in US. Question number 20 is 77th Venice Film Festival 2020. Chaitanya Tamhane's Marathi film The Disciple bags Best Screenplay Award. Where is the headquarters of this Venice Film Festival? Well, the headquarters is situated in Italy. Question number 21 is comment form desk member committee to study ancient Indian culture. Prahlad Singh Patel. Well, the answer is option A, 16-member committee. Question number 22 is MORTH conducted orientation and training program of IRAD app. This app was developed by which IIT? Well, this app was developed by Madras IIT. Question number 23 is in US Open 2020. Who won women's double? Well, it was won by option E, A and C, Laura Sigmund and Vera Zvonareva. Question 24 is Lewis Hamilton wins Tuscan Grand Prix. Where was this event held? Well, this event was held at Italy. Question 25 is My Family, My Responsibility campaign was launched to tackle COVID-19. It was launched by which state government? Well, it was launched by Maharashtra state government. Question 26 is Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha laid E-Foundation stone of Arun Jaitley Memorial Sports Complex. At which place it was laid? Well, the answer is option D, Hiranagar. Question 27 is central government working towards digitization of health sector and skill development. E-Sanjeevani OPD. Well, it is for whom? Well, the answer is option B, patient to doctor. Question 28 is Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and laid foundation stone for 7 projects related to urban infrastructure in the state of Bihar through video conference. The total cost of the project is option A, 541 crore. Question 29 is global spending needs 500 years to match COVID-19 route. What is the GPEM report titled? Well, it is titled as option D, A World in Disorder. Question 30 is RBI mandated banks to fully automate NPA recognition process by? Well, the answer is option A, June 31, 2021. Question 31 is Euromoney, the Global Finance and Banking Magazine's Awards for Excellence 2020 honored Aditya Puri, MD of HDFC Bank with a Lifetime Achievement Award 2020. This first of its kind awards were established in the year option B, 1992. Question 32 is ADB has appointed whom as its new country director for India? Well, the answer is option A, Takio Konishi. Question 33 is Indian cricketer Virat Kohli becomes brand ambassador of Great Learning. Name the campaign. Well, the campaign is named as Power Ahead. Question 34 is Paytm First Games, a subsidiary of digital finance service platform Paytm, has roped in whom as its brand ambassador? Well, the answer is option D, Sachin Tendulkar. Moving to question number 35, National Engineers Day is annually celebrated across India on 15 September to pay tribute to India's legendary dam builder and eminent engineer Bharat Ratna. Well, the answer is option D, M.V. Mokshagundam Vishvesvaraya. Question number 36 is the Government of India announced an increase in scholarship amount for the students of Jammu and Kashmir under the Pragati and Saksham scholarship schemes. The amount has been raised from rupees 5,000 per annum to rupees well, it's 10,000 per annum. Question number 37 is which government signs MOU with SEEDB to develop its MSME ecosystem? Well, the answer is option C, Rajasthan. Question number 38 is EDF Group I2EN and VJTI signed MOU to set up Center of Excellence in Civil Nuclear Space in which state? Well, the answer is option D, Maharashtra. Question number 39 is Cabinet approves establishment of new aims at which place in Bihar? Well, the answer is option C, Darbhanga. Question number 40 is Indian Army to get indigenous carbines anti-air system. The Ministry of Defense cancelled two arms import contracts worth over $2.5 billion from which country? Well, the answer is option D, South Korea. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and this was all for today. Hope you like my session. If you like this session, please like my video, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Banker Sword.